The final frontier. Space is big, really big. Space is incredibly vast, like really, really big. It's so immense that it's almost beyond human comprehension. When you look up at the night sky, you're only seeing a tiny fraction of what's out there. Our current spaceships are like tiny ants crawling across a giant continent. They move slowly, inching their way through the vastness of space. It takes years, even decades, to reach nearby stars with our current technology. The distances are so great that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes years to travel between stars. This makes exploring the universe incredibly time-consuming. Each mission requires careful planning and patience. For example, the Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, took almost 40 years just to reach interstellar space. That's a testament to the vast distances involved. That's just a tiny step outside our cosmic doorstep. We've barely begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. Imagine the time it would take to reach a planet in another star system. We're talking about journeys that could span centuries with our current technology. The limitations of our current technology are clear. We need to innovate and develop new methods of travel. We need something faster, something revolutionary, to quench our thirst for exploring the cosmos. Only then can we truly begin to understand the vastness of space. Warp drive. Imagine a spaceship with no brakes. In 1994, a physicist named Miguel Alcubierre proposed a radical idea: warp drive. Imagine a spaceship that doesn't actually travel through space but bends space-time itself. It's like folding a piece of paper so two distant points touch. You haven't moved across the paper, but you've shortened the distance. Warp drive doesn't violate the laws of physics because it doesn't move faster than light within its local space. Instead, it manipulates space-time, creating a shortcut. This means, theoretically, we could reach distant stars and galaxies much faster than ever thought possible. Warp bubbles. Bending the fabric of space and time. The key to warp drive is the creation of a warp bubble, a concept that has fascinated scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. This bubble would surround the spaceship and warp space-time around it, allowing for faster-than-light travel. Space in front of the bubble would contract, while space behind it would expand, creating a wave that propels the ship forward. Imagine standing on a moving walkway at an airport, effortlessly gliding past others. The walkway itself is the warp bubble, carrying you along with it, making travel seem almost magical. You're not walking, but you're still moving relative to the people standing still, a perfect analogy for warp travel. Inside the warp bubble, everything would remain normal, as if you were simply sitting in your living room. There would be no sense of acceleration or time dilation, the strange effect of time slowing down at high speeds, making the journey comfortable. It would be like taking a leisurely stroll to another star system, a serene and almost surreal experience. Challenges and possibilities: a long way to go. Creating a warp drive is not easy. It's a monumental task that pushes the boundaries of our current understanding of physics and engineering. It requires a substance called exotic matter with negative mass, something we've never actually found. This elusive material is crucial for bending space-time. It also needs an immense amount of energy, more than the total energy output of our sun. Harnessing such power is a challenge that seems insurmountable with our current technology. However, recent research offers a glimmer of hope. Scientists are making strides in understanding the fundamental principles that could make warp drive feasible. Scientists are exploring new theories that suggest warp drive might be possible with less exotic matter and energy than previously thought. These theories are still in their infancy, but show promise. While still in its early stages, this research opens up exciting possibilities for the future of space travel. Each small breakthrough brings us one step closer to achieving what was once deemed impossible. Warp drive may sound like science fiction, but so did landing on the moon once. History has shown us that human ingenuity knows no bounds. With continued research and a bit of human ingenuity, who knows what incredible feats we might achieve in the vast expanse of space. The possibilities are endless. The future of space travel might be closer than we think. Our journey into the cosmos is just beginning, and the next giant leap could be right around the corner.